As you saw, and you've been asking, a few weeks ago, we announced a manual gearbox that will be available later this year. That's great news for stick shift enthusiasts who will soon have 3 unique manual transmissions across our GR lineup, 86, Corolla, and now Supra. Toyota engineers worked to develop a bespoke 6-speed manual transmission for GR Supra's high torque, high output engine. We engineered the components of this transmission for the sole purpose of putting the power of Supra literally in the hands of the driver. It'll be available as an option on the 3.0 grade as well as the A91 MT Limited Edition. A 500-unit run of this limited edition will come in 2 exclusive colors and a unique leather interior. We've also made performance enhancements across the Supra 3.0 lineup with retuned braking and suspension systems that offer even better control, while also offering new wheels, an updated interior, and an enhanced audio system. And we're psyched to get the new manual transmission Supra into our customers' hands later this year.